these. I use everystockphoto.com, I use Google Image Search, I use openphoto.net, I use stockarch.com, and I use pixabay.com. And there's a lot more out there, but these I've had pretty good results between these 5. I've been able to find just about everything I've ever wanted to. So I'll show you this first one. I'll show you how to download from each one of these, how to find pictures, and how to understand the licensing and make sure you're getting a legally free picture you can use. I'll find things for commercial use. So let's say I'll search for a computer. Every stock photo actually searches several different sources, searches Flickr, Image After, NASA, Wikipedia, Morgfile, all the Morgufile, and Wikimedia Commons, so lots of different things. I can search Stock Exchange, but the thing I have selected right now, I have show only licenses that allow for commercial use. So it's not going to search Stock Exchange because some of the ones on there aren't allowed for commercial use. So here's the results down here. Notice over on the right hand side it's premium results from Photolia. So those are ones I would have to pay for, but these ones over here are my actual search results. So if I wanted to use this one, and I can read about the license, so I'll open that in a new tab, and I will go to the site. So this isn't, every stock photo just connects me with the websites that have these free photos. So I will go to the actual website, and here's this. I can't just download it from here. I can't go right click and save image like you normally would, because it'll have this blacked out thing over it. But I can just click download image, and then I can download it then. And it's a huge file too. I think it's well, it's pretty big. 2240 by 1680 pixels. So it's pretty good quality. So yeah, that's been downloaded now. I can just open it up and look at it on my computer. I can edit it. I can use it on a website. Well, I should read and make sure what I can do with it. So it says, you are free to remix and adapt the work, commercial to use this work for commercial purposes, without attribution, to use without attributing the original author. So that's a pretty open, pretty awesome license for this. I mean, I can use it just about any way that I want to. Well, there's some things I can't do. I can't sell it by itself, and I can't claim ownership of it. So another great tool is Google search results. So you can search, if I just go computer, and then I click under image search, but what you have to do is click on search tools and go down to usage rights and say labeled for reuse with modification or reuse. I'll just say labeled for reuse with modification. So all of these are actually labeled, and look, this is actually from Pixabay, which is the site we're going to be looking at in a little bit. But it just pulls pictures from all over the place. So this one's, I can open it and I can check it out, and I can actually visit the website that has this and find out information about downloading this. And it looks like it has, I can click download right here. So it looks like it's released under the Creative Commons license. Yes, Creative Commons, some rights reserved. This work is licensed under Creative Commons Attribution 3.0 license. So very cool. So I could use that, and I just provide attribution to the original creator of it, which is Ivy Programmer, and whatever the name of the piece of art is, desktop computer icon. So yeah, this next one. Well, let's go back. Oh, I just closed it. So I was just going to go back and show you. So that's how Google search results work. Just make sure you're searching under a license filter. Okay, this next one, openphoto.net. Click on search, and then I will just do the same thing, computer. You can also just like browse through and get ideas for cool pictures. So, and there's a way you can do advanced search. I forget how to do it. But we'll just click on maybe this result here. That's kind of a cool, I think that's a negative. Yeah, it's like a negative of a picture. So it tells about some information about the picture, but I want to find out about the licensing. I'll click download. So then I can just go right click and go save image as and save it. And I can use it on my computer. But like I said, you always want to check those the licenses on them, and so and I was just looking to see. But I do have the creator, right? Jordan Miller for openphoto.net, Creative Commons Attribution. There it is. It's very fine print right at the bottom there. So I can use this Creative Commons Attribution. Oh, and here it is, large print. So that's openphoto.net, but it's also a great search tool. Moving on, I don't want to spend too much time on each of these because they're pretty straightforward, really. Stock Arch, again, we can search through. They have like all kinds of different categories. I'll just search for computer, like I've been doing, and here's what it comes up with. So, not an actual computer, but looks like this computer business circuit board. So I can click on it, and it tells me at the bottom here, license Creative Commons by stockmedia.cc. It's Creative Commons Attribution 3.0 license. Except to provide attribution to stockmedia.cc. And the name of this is Microelectronics Circuit Board 7.59. I would just provide attribution like that. This last one, I downloaded it. I just click accept license and download the image. And now you Windows Formula tab. No, we just point me to a new page, or a page, and then I can click Save Image As, and save it to my computer. Right click, Save Image As. Alright, this last one, Pixabay. I'll just show you a quick search on it. So I'll type in computer. And this one was popular images, image type, categories, orientation. So it gives you some different options for search. And I will click on the one up for advanced search on it. But I'll just use this is like a vector image of the match type image, vector background. So if I want to use it, I can download. Oh yes, that's what it is. So this one, if you want to download like the vector image, I think you want to log in to get this site. Or if you want to download like the high resolution, so you can log in for free, or you can just download it right away and you can have it. Then the license, this is Creative Commons 0, which is public domain, which is pretty cool, and I can read more about it if I want to. All the limitations and things you can do with, can and cannot do with public domain Creative Commons 0 license. So anyway, hopefully that was kind of informative. I know that was kind of a speedy run through these different sites, but there really are a lot of good free pictures out there that you can get. You can use them for commercial use. It's legal. You just have to understand the licensing. So check out some of my other videos here on YouTube where I talk about Creative Commons licensing, and I'll give you a guide and a breakdown of the different licenses available. I also have other videos on free stock footage, free royalty-free music and sound effects and things that you can use in making videos or doing different kinds of creative works. So